In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and view your saved passwords in Google Chrome. Understanding how to manage and view your stored passwords can enhance your online security and ensure you have easy access to your login details whenever needed. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your device. This is your starting point for accessing the settings necessary to view your saved passwords. Once Google Chrome is open and ready, take a look at the top right corner of the window. Here you will see three small dots aligned vertically. These dots are your gateway to Chrome's menu, which houses various options and settings. Go ahead and click on those dots. Once you've clicked the three-dot menu, a drop-down will appear with a list of options. From this list, find and select Settings. This action will take you to a new page with a variety of options that allow you to adjust Chrome to fit your preferences. When you arrive on the settings page, look toward the left panel. Here you will see several different categories. Among these, locate and click on Autofill and Passwords. This area is specifically dedicated to managing saved information that Chrome can automatically fill into forms, including your passwords. Clicking on this option will open a new section in the settings. In this section, you'll spot Google Password Manager. This is a powerful tool within Chrome that securely stores your passwords and makes them easily accessible whenever you need them. Click on Google Password Manager to continue. Now that you're within Google Password Manager, you'll see a couple of options. Choose Passwords to access the complete list of passwords saved by Chrome. This list will present you with a catalog of all the websites and corresponding login credentials that you have saved using your Google account. To find the specific password you're looking for, scroll through the list and locate the entry corresponding to the website of interest. Once found, next to the password, you'll see an icon resembling an eye. This icon is the key to revealing the obscured password. Click on this eye icon. Keep in mind that for security reasons, Chrome may prompt you to enter your device's password or authenticate in another way. This is a security measure to ensure that only authorized users can view saved passwords. By following these steps, you can easily access and view your saved passwords in Google Chrome. Remember, keeping track of your passwords is crucial, but so is maintaining their security. Always ensure your credentials are protected and avoid sharing them unnecessarily. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating through your Google Chrome settings with ease.